it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you on how to play the kalimba. Before you start to play, you want to make sure your kalimba is in tune. You can check out my other video on how to tune the kalimba. Let's start with how to hold the kalimba. You will hold the kalimba from the side with your hand like this. The thumbs will be on the front. You could use the index finger on the side as support. The rest of the finger would be on the back. Some people prefer to have the index finger on the back as well. So it really depends on whichever way make you feel more comfortable. Now let's talk about how to pluck the times. You want to use the flash at your fingertip to lightly touch the time and then slide the finger down quickly to pluck the time with your nail, like this. To use the flash of your thumb to lightly touch the time before you plug it with your nail will help reduce any vibration that might be ongoing, so the nail doesn't make an ugly Z sound when it touches a vibrating tiles, which would sound like this. This is with your flash, lightly touch it first. Can you tell the difference? You want to play with your nails, then just use your thumb because this would allow you to play for hours without pain. If your nails are too long, it's easier to break. If they're too short, it might be too hard to play the Glissando technique. So it's good to leave your nail about 2 to 3 millimeters long, whichever length you find is best for you. Next, let's talk about how to stop the ties. When you plug a time, usually it sustains for 5 seconds. Let's say you want to play a note for short. Here's how you can stop it. You can use your flat thumb flash on the time quickly, like this. Next, let's talk about the Glissando technique. Glissando technique is when you play 2 or more times together by touching one with your thumbnail and then drag the nail over the rest of the times, like this. Glissando is easier to accomplish when you have longer nails. Here's a practice you can do. 2 Glissando, 3 Glissando, 4 Glissando. So that's the Glissando technique. Next, let's talk about the vibrato effect. Vibrato effect is when you cover and uncover the back sound hole as you playing the Glissando technique. So that's the vibrato effect. Lastly, let's talk about the wah-wah effect. Wah-wah effect is when you cover and uncover the front hole as you play Glissando. Wah-wah effect is the strongest when you play 3 or 4 notes in the mid-range. The wah-wah effect also increases when you play it with the vibrato effect together. So that's the wah-wah effect. That's all I have for you today. I will talk about how to read kalimba tabs in my next video. If you like this video, please consider like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.